Hello everyone! Good to see you all today.
Let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Huyen and this is my partner.
My name is Uyen and you are studying in class 10A4 at Truc Secondary and High School.
We are delighted and proud to participate in the Exploring Heritage Sites Vietnam UNESCO Global Geopark program for the 2024 to 2025 school year because we want to introduce the geology of Vietnam province to friends, both nationally and internationally.
This will help Vietnam develop further in tourism and the economy, making this place worth visiting and living in.
By the end of our video, you will be familiar with Vietnam province. So to sum it up, which enchanted destination are you eager to unveil?
Shh, it's a life full secret. Just come along and let me take you on the journey to discover it together.
UNESCO Global Geopark Vietnam is one of the newly renamed UNESCO Global Geoparks, officially designated in 2020, located in Vietnam province, Central Highlands of Vietnam. It's an important part of the global geography known as the conservation system.
The Vietnam Geopark not only features rich natural landscape, but also holds exceptional scientific and geological historical value. The site we are referring to is one of the locations location within groundwater, rhapsody of fire and water.
Let me start with some general information on Dray Waterfall. The majestic Dray Waterfall is a famous scenic spot in the west side of the Central Highlands, connecting with the two provinces, Đắk Lắk and Đắk Nông. This place attracts tourists by its pristine beauty, with the somewhat costly waterfall but an extremely private space.
In particular, this is also an ideal for those who love adventure travel and want to immerse themselves in nature. Possessing breathing beauty, the South Waterfall is surrounded by the lush green range of mountains and forests, a combination of white water, green forestry, and majestic rocks.
The waterfalls from a height of more than 20 meters and an impressive length of 100 meters, creating a smoky white patches that look shimmering and magical. In the Ede language, Truc means smoke waterfalls, Dray is waterfall and Sap is smoke, because the water flows from above down to the valley, creating a large mass of mist that fly like smoke.
Dray Waterfall is located in Đắk Lắk, Trong district in Đắk Nông province.
From Waterfall City, so we travel along highway 14 for about 20 minutes, and then come to the intersection.
Tourists connected from North District, going straight on the road for 10 kilometers. Visitors will meet the welcome gate to Dray Waterfall tourist area. The road to Dray Waterfall has very beautiful road and the accent forest. Tourists should ride a motorbike to be able to ride and admire the nature beauty of the Central Highlands before arriving at Dray Waterfall.
The legend tells the story of a couple who fell in love in the Truc River. However, their families didn't approve with their relationship, so they were forbidden. Overcome with sadness, the couple jumped into the Truc River to be together forever. That night, for the jump, the river split into two branches. The Rhino is white and dressed up the husband. This region has become a part of the local control and attracts many tourists to visit the beautiful waterfall.
Entering the Hong Kong Waterfall tourist area, the majestic Dray Waterfall creates an impressive highlight for visitors.
If you feel like you are lost in fairyland with mountains, forests, waterfall, and fresh green trees, giving you a strange feeling of relaxation and peace. There's that waterfall which you cannot ignore. To this the foot of the waterfall is a flow to unlock the river with back and roll of the to another. A little paradise for many young people with an extremely unique skin. Don't you this leader who was trained into the old forest to reach the waterfall.
Huyen, do you know what value the Restart Waterfall brings?
Restart Waterfalls is a significant tourist destination with culture, economic, and ecological value in Đắk Nông like natural beauty. Restart is one of Vietnam's most beautiful waterfalls, attracting tourists with its stunning scenery.
Cultural significance. The area is tied to local religion and the custom of ethnic minority, particularly the Ede people. Ecological conservation. The surrounding area is home to the preserved ecosystem and rare species, contributing to its biodiversity conservation.
Since being recognized by UNESCO,
What trend has the Restart Waterfall had? Scientific research. Scientific research activity has been promoted to further understand the geological and ecological value in the geopark.
Education and communication. Education and communication activities has been organized to raise awareness of the local community and tourists about the geological and ecological value of the geopark.
In today's modern life, nature is an image share and inspiration for community. From luxury tree forests to breathtaking waterfalls, nature provides us with a sense of peace and a connection to life. Let's come together to
Protect the environment. Each of us has a responsibility to preserve the beauty of nature. Simple actions like not littering and conserving wildlife can help maintain this precious ecosystem.
explore and experience. Take the time to immerse yourself in nature, such as visiting Restart Waterfall to feel the wonder of water, and fresh air.
Share and inspire. Spread your love for nature to those around you so that we can all work together to protect and cherish this beauty.
The beauty of nature, especially Restart Waterfall, is not only a shout of inspiration, but also a valuable heritage that we need to preserve for future generations.
Let's try to protect and enjoy the nature when we have.
Well, that is from our. Thank you for your attention.